Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and this is a modified Graham's law equation right here. Basically, the idea is the rate of movement is inversely related to the mass of the compound. And so what we did is we took concentrated hydrochloric acid and put it in the end of this tube on some cotton, and then concentrated ammonia in this one. And then over a lapsed time, we saw how these formed a precipitation reaction of ammonium chloride right here, and we tracked the distance traveled. Like for instance, the average hydrochloric acid traveled 24.5 centimeters, and then the average ammonia traveled 35.5. And then what we did is we took that value and divided it by the average time in seconds to find the rate of ammonia movement. That's in centimeters per second, so that would be this variable right here. And then this is basically the average value for the rate of hydrochloric acid movement, also in centimeters per second. We know that the formula mass of ammonia is NH3, and so that would go here. And so the challenge is to find the mass of hydrochloric acid in the experiment with the data that we have, and then compare it to the accepted value of 36.5 to do an experimental error. See what you can do to get this done. I'll do another video showing how this works out.